intermodal train, 4-engine lead, FedEx. Slowly coming in to Joliet, main station. Fresh G-Ball third. H2 power on this dual runner. Union Pacific here. Another train's back there. We'll see. Oh. Metra. Doubleheader. Hey, one of the number boards on this thing screwed up. Look. That's funny. Get another train. Triple cast.
wait, hold on. Oh, where are they going?
Oh look, the first ever cab car.
Oh, 8400. That's crazy.
Where, did they kidnap the passengers?
Wait, have you ever even seen that happen before? A Metra train crossing over the...
Are they kidnapping the passengers?
They already got off.
Oh, they're probably going straight into the storage lines.
Wait, are they gonna take the Y and park it? Oh
probably.
shoot, let's go watch that. Let's get closer.
To the diamond. I hate Zoom. Sorry, using time. Well, where is it going? will he ever
They gotta clear the switch, remember? Oh wait, no, they're gone. They're not coming back.
The passengers. I love Metra.
Oh wait, no, I think they stopped.
I thought that was a train horn, but for some reason there's a wedding going on.
Oh, that's right.
I bet half the time they just hear toot 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 toot. Look at that little ditch flash, it's so cute. This is the original first gen Nip and Cherio ditch flash, look.
Oh, you're right. They take a brief pause on each side. Which makes sense.
No, they never fully turn off on this. Oh, look at him going to
Oh, that's true. They never do turn off.
He's going into the storage rack. Or is he just going to go past us? Back on the diamond.
Oh, that's a good question.
That's highly, no wait, he might be on this track now.
Yes, that's very likely. To be on the outbound track.
Or he's probably just going to go onto the Y.
I personally, I was thinking on the Y, but I wouldn't be surprised if just one side.
Yeah, and then load passengers and then go back to Chicago.
Okay, yeah. You always have your fingers crossed. I didn't hear the...
Because there's no red light. There's only reds over there. So
yeah. But I didn't hear the switch mix, so I don't think so.
Oh yeah, it already passed.
No. Okay, I think...
Yeah, I can't even tell.
No, I think it still has room.
That's too stupid to tell, actually. Oh yeah, it's going on. Is it? Yeah, maybe we just shouldn't be guessing. I think it is. Did it pass it yet?
No, the passing point's about right
Why
there.
do you have to knock it? I think they also restored it. The front looks pretty fresh.
I guess BNSF takes a lot better care of their calves here.
Oh yeah, it passed it.
Area.
Yeah, it's coming.
No, not yet.
No, it did.
No.
When does it? What? Oh, he's so cute.
Okay, let's see the switch gray box. That's the switch
yeah.
point. So.
Oh yeah, he's passed.
We'll see
Yeah, he
soon.
passed. He passed. Yeah, he's
I
passed.
think so.
He's passed. Yay, we got to see 8400 in all of his fame and glory. Passing over Joliet's famous diamond. What? Oh, I hate that. Oh, whatever, we still got it. Going over the fun bridge. Going over the fun bridge.
It's got a nice smell. Also, it's a lot smaller windows. They're like closer to the bus side.
Yeah, I think it's a lot. I guess he's now going back to the storage. I'm sorry. Like, more people at the wedding. This is what they have to deal with. Thinking of all you have.
It's just kibble, but yeah.
Yeah, I said Tim.
I said probably
Shut up.
kibble.
Shut up. I don't care. It's just a Metra was the most name. Where are the horns mounted there? It's so funny. Look up the horns.
Yeah, it is kind of funny.
The horns are